Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening your trim sequence in Premiere Pro, then go straight to File, Export Media. This is where compression begins. You want your source to match the output resolution to avoid unnecessary scaling, because matching reduces bitrate waste and preserves quality. Make sure you choose the correct sequence and that the in/out points cover only the finished edit. Once done, you'll see the Export Settings panel. This is where you control codec, bitrate, and containers to actually compress the file. You now pick the right codec because it determines file size and compatibility. H.264 is broadly supported, while HEVC offers smaller files but less compatibility. Next, set bitrate. Lower bitrates shrink size but can introduce artifacts. Use a 2-pass VBR and set a sensible target and max bitrate to balance quality and size. If your machine supports hardware encoding, enable it to shorten export time. Make sure your profile and level match the delivery requirement so players can decode the file reliably. Finally, you choose Export to Render Directly or Queue to send to Media Encoder for background processing. Either way, watch the estimated file size and adjust bitrates if it's too large. After export, play the file fully to confirm audio sync, no pixelation, and correct resolution. If you see blocking or banding, increase the target bitrate or use HEVC. If export fails, inspect the export log and disable GPU acceleration to rule out driver issues. Then retry the export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.